You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Woo-hoo. Today, guys, we are with Wirebrain. Yeah, man. Wirebrain with Fatal. Yes, this is this song towards Devin. So, if you don't know what I go on by now, I can't update you. Sorry. Blood clot. Sorry. I'm going to jump in that one and see where Wirebrain did. Let's go. Yeah, man. Wirebrain, Fatal, Devindidakta this. Let's go.
3 little crocs went out one day. 2 with a matic and 1 with a K. Fi kill a little fish from St. Mary. Read him up.
So the man a counteract the three like a Hatchley nursery rhyme song where Devindidakta is doing a theme intro first. Alright, we like it.
Little crocs
Went out one day.
2 with a matic
And 1 with a K.
Fi kill a little fish
From St. Mary.
Read him up. From boy fi murder we turning up. Hey Devin. Say your bada who dream you and tell you that. You say my brain tired. But the girl say your tongue can't tired.
You say my brain tired, but the girl say your tongue can't tired. The girl say you lick like a lollipop. The girl say you did it like a rum and raisin. Big up all the police them. The girl say, alright, let's go.
3 little crocs
Hey!
went out
Alright, what is on?
2 with a matic and 1 with a K. Fi kill a little fish from St. Mary. Read him up.
What is on?
Fi murder we turning up. Hey Devin. Say your bada who dream you and tell you that. You say my brain tired. But the girl say your tongue can't tired. Pure fiction in your head liar. Can't save you no past and a prayer put him head pan a fly. 17 pa my belly in a roll light. Make a boy head spin like strobe light. Long time man seat say your force right. Lone binds life cut like phone line. Every killer woman know live a low life. Boy you a gun clown you no style.
The man say every killer women know live a low life. Every killer women know a scumbag. Every killer women know no sense, no head. Yes. And that's how we there.
Every killer women know live a low life. Boy, you a gun clown, you no style. Man pull up on the men's on a shore dive. 4 or 5 kick like belly and pie. I just come shot anywhere about them. Grand spend, tar spend, get the stuff them. Your mother shoulda warned you about the crooks them. Yeah, about the crooks them. Badness, you the
man say your mother should have warned you about the crooks them. But the man tell us his mother dead. Oh, no, no say him mother dead. So, oh, mommy for warning about the crooks. But you say auntie need to warn about the crooks them or granny need to warn about the crooks them or something along that nature.
Warn you about the crooks them, yeah. About the crooks them, badness, you're not ready for. She tell you that 50 caliber rounds with the fish in your block. Say your mother who dream you and tell you that. Early morning, put him on the cleaner. No forensic, call a cleaner. Left your head on the floor, get the media.
Early morning, put him on the cleaner, put him on the front page of the newspaper. The whole world talk about him. Yeah, man, everybody talk about him. Them shock like light wire. Yeah, man. Don't call forensic, call the cleaner. Yeah, man, come clean up and mess out yourself. You don't need a forensic for sick, because you're not going to see what do him anyway. Because you hear the thing, bust him face. You're not going to recognize how you need that.
No forensic, call a cleaner. Left your head on the floor, get the media. Sent me a rim, go ask a teacher. I should tell me you is a clown speaker. Your father know you're born waker. Top freaker, girl them crown eater. Hey Devin, you carry girl waist rifle we wave. We know the talk a gunshot and grave.
Man say you carry girl wave. Man say you girl waist. Yeah, man say you girly. Yes, man say you feminine. Man say you rifle we wave over yourself. Not no time for no gimmicks. That's how the G tell you right so.
You carry girl waist rifle we wave. We know the talk a gunshot and grave. Anyway the badness that we play. Nothing can stop we reach high gate. You know gunman pussy, fish pan bait.
Man said nothing can stop it from reach a high gate. And if I know high gate today, maybe a rich man. Nothing can stop it from reach. No around there, so that is what he say, not me.
Yeah. Nothing can stop we reach high gate. You know gunman pussy, fish pan bait. One bag of gimmicks, their circus image. Everything diminish, start to the finish. A bad cook in your village. Camera trick, Bama go kick. like a skid. Car visit, killer ya slick. 3 drop on the face, what a trick. High velocity rifle clap, watch it physics. Pussy them a chat chat, watch it gimmicks. Rifle sing on a block clip full of lyrics. Now I'm
man say rifle a sing on a block it full of lyrics. Lyrics come pack and I see lyrics man. Binds and that him say them in a black and get in a dog.
See them a chat chat, watch it gimmicks. Rifle sing on a block clip full of lyrics. Now wobble with it, no boy can't tell me no travel with it. Say no carry still a travel but fly no big apple from sparks left in nozzle. Dead in a your scheme, clean and bustle, let do open light novel. Something a fi raffle, feel like we go shotting. Close up a coffle, no fist fight tackle, make it kill take a rackle. Car go and chuckle, no fear no miracle. The bad miss a happen, pussy, yeah the bad miss a happen. I just gunshot, tell you all about them. Grand spin, toss spin, get the stuff them. Your mother should have warned you about the crooks them. Them pussy. Yeah man, a gunshot and grave same way man. I want to them junior. You can't intimidate nobody with a voice the devil. Yeah man, your girl ways. Gunshot and grave.
Alright man, so you can't intimidate nobody. I'm telling you, where Devin I use and win the fans them over. And I beat on the same way too, to be honest. Let me tell you where Devin I use. Devin I use, if you notice, him not chat no gun lyrics. Him a chat things where make people pint and laugh. Them thing they do. Him a chat things where make a man pint and say, watch me that lad, why you read? Devin said that about him. Them thing they use. And people like them thing they in a clash. You see me? It's not all about gun lyrics and who for head can bust out a rare. Man with Jerry, bro, like, man will laugh after you till a week. Yeah, man will laugh after you till a week. And them thing they might use. On the other side, you have Shane and Wirebrain, I use gun lyrics, gunshot and grave. What are them thing there? The bad man image. Devin not get the bad man image, because him don't tell us, say, yo, listen, me's an artist. I'm a clash artist. Me not go get no bad man image and go like say you're my toughest thing. No. Corey beat me with belt. Yes, cool. Yes, Corey and him friend them beat me with belt. Me no bad. But me use gimmicks and lyrics and chop out your face though. That me I tell you make people laugh after you. And talk some facts behind it. That is what he's using. You see me? So yeah, this is a good song. I'm not taking nothing away from the song, by the way. This is a good song. Big up yourself, Wirebrain. Big up yourself. I think if Wirebrain did step up before Shane Skull, I think the Crux would have a better chance, because I like Wirebrain sang them better than Shane Skull sang them, because it have more of a punch and it more aggressive. Shane Skull sang, the first song was flat, the second one was better, but it never deliver as that song here. You wanna get what I say? So there's ways. It's not all about gun lyrics, and Devindidakta show me that. It's not all about gun lyrics, bro. Me make people laugh after you. Remember, say, them man, they look up to Professor Nuts and them man, bro. So, Professor Nuts is a gimmicks, man. So, that's where you're Wirebrain I say, yo, I be a gimmicks here, chat and rare, and them AK full of lyrics and rare, and them thing. Those are well and good. Those are well and good. But him not go down the road with you. You understand? But yeah. Nice song, though. Big up yourself, Wirebrain. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah. Good rhythm choice as well. So, yeah, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, continue shoving out the song them still. You see me? We're there to react to them. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section though. And I'll catch you guys in the next one for real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.